how to send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps. But first things first, before we go into the tutorial, make sure that you're currently running the updated or the latest version of Snapchat so you will have this kind of feature. Now, once you have made sure, just simply access your Snapchat account and make sure that you are logged into your account. As you can see, there is actually an arrow pointing down at the center right portion of your screen. Just simply tap on that and there's going to be a drop down. Now just choose on director mode. Now once you're choosing on director mode, you just have to tap on a specific gallery in which you can just simply add photos or snaps in it. And then in there, just simply choose on a specific picture where you would like to be added as your normal snap. Then here, this is gonna be your editing page in which you can, add emojis, add text, or maybe add filters to that specific photo. And by there, this is your actual normal snap. And that's how you send snaps from camera roll as normal snaps.